puppet master, what could be? Alright, it's time to battle. Comic first. 15 equal 19.
Try not to hit your own friends too hard.
You see, guys, we collect all those keystones. 8 plus 3
You don't stand a chance against my magic.
I lose it. I lose the puppet master.
You're becoming quite the pest, you know.
No. Pest, which means fart. My father said this.
Prepare yourself, wizard. I have a few tricks up my sleeve that will leave you amazed.
Alright. Time to battle again. Oh look, he is laughing to me and my pet. Alright guys. 5 plus 7 is equal 12. Oh look, he's cardiacal. Oops. 12 equal 19. 12 plus 7 equal 19. Alright, it may be hot. He may get burned because Shao Fu, he has an fire spell. 8 plus 10 is 18. Alright.
Try not to hit your own friends too hard.
The first time I don't like the puppet master. I like him just only 50%. The first time I think the master is good. Better the puppet master and win. I know that the puppet master is the best.
You don't stand a chance against my magic.
Also, he's